your bank account looks like a desert, you're a future Amazon seller. Let's explore how you can turn things around. First, go to Amazon's website and click on Sign Up. Fill in your details, name, email, and password. Easy, right? Next, you'll need to set up your seller profile. Enter your business info, billing details, and tax information. Don't sweat it, Amazon guides you through each step. Now it's time to list your products. Click Add a Product and follow the prompt. Include clear photos and detailed description. The more info, the better your chances of selling. Optimize your listings with keywords. Think about what buyers would search for. This helps your product get noticed. Finally, manage your inventory and fulfill orders. Keep track of your stock and make sure you're shipping items on time. Happy customers mean repeat business, and that's it. You've just unlocked the door to earning money on Amazon. Happy selling!